The BEETLE channel, let's go!
I'm in Cannes. We keep on doing our culinary trip, culinary adventure, culinary journey in southern France. We're gonna taste some deliciousness here in Cannes. Hi. Do you speak English?
Yes.
What is this street? Is it a famous street for restaurants? Is it?
It's Rue Ménager.
Where can I find the French restaurants, like local cuisine?
This one is French restaurant. On the side, French restaurant, but it's closed. It starts at 6.
6, okay. And your restaurant is open?
Yeah.
Open?
Yeah.
And you have a French local cuisine?
Yeah.
Oh, I come back to you, okay?
Okay.
Nice. We found a place. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
So, a few places to see, and then we'll have a French meal in Cannes, and it's gonna be another great video. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my TikTok and Instagram. What do you suggest watching or seeing in Cannes for the first time?
The Old Town
Old Town, okay.
here, the Croisette
Croisette, of course.
Festival.
Palace, yeah. Thank you so much.
Après.
All right, so here we have the Old Town, right here. And here we have the Croisette. Lots of driving these days and the weather is hot. So sorry for that, but I need to freshen up a little bit. All right, Cannes. So my first impression about Cannes, look at the architecture. The atmosphere is so vibrant, so elegant, so decent. I love this. I love this. It's really nice. So guys, the casino, if you want to spend some money and get some emotions, please welcome. That's it, guys. I don't really need any photos. This could be it. All the windows, all the balconies, they're so artificially decorated. Calmness, beachfront area. Yeah, the atmosphere is amazing.
Okay.
Yeah, and what would you suggest me trying here?
I don't know what you like.
Something local or French generally?
Assiette cannibale, carpaccio of beef with tartare.
Carpaccio beef. Is it like original here?
Yeah.
It's regional. Okay. It's similar to tartare.
It's the tartare. You have
it's
carpaccio of beef.
Okay.
And on the top, tartare.
Okay. So it's
Yeah.
carpaccio with tartare. Okay. But I eat already tartare yesterday,
Yeah.
so I don't
So?
want to repeat.
Magret of duck.
I also eat it. Yeah, duck. I also eat it. The
Beaver, okay.
Avignon, and
Okay.
and I see Provençal sauce. It's like with Provençal spices.
No, it's not spicy. If you want spicy,
No,
I can do.
I mean like herbs. It's Provençal herbs.
Yeah.
Okay, I will try this large prawns with Provençal sauce.
Ok, gambage.
Yeah.
Ok. Allez, c'est parti.
Yeah. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Very big prawns with Provençal sauce. That's the sauce with the base of herbs of Provence region. That's what I really love here. Wow, look at this. Sauteed vegetables, eggplant, tomatoes. Oh, they're tasty. So many different aromas and flavors combined together, mixed up. Rice is also well cooked. So let's try prawn. Oh wow, it is juicy. The sauce is amazing. Look at this. Wow. This is This is muy grande. Wow, the smell is great, and the taste, of course. Oh wow, wow. This restaurant is really a nice choice. If you in Cannes, please visit it and tell that you're from the Beetle. Let's make the girl happier. I'm sure she's happy even without you coming here or me recommending you this restaurant. But anyway, let's make her smile.
Hello.
I like this prawns. I like it very much. Totally worth it. Wow. And these veggies, they're really nice. And they all complement each other very well. Wow. This is nice. Specifically for this dish, I would try some white wine. It would be a very good choice. Alright, so this guys, totally worth it. Totally worth the price, totally worth visiting. This is right on the beachfront area, like second line of buildings. Lots of different restaurants, but most of them are Italian, as the man told us. So choose this one. You will not regret, believe me. This is the present from chef.
Spécialité French fish wine.
Fish wine.
Yes,
Okay.
very good.
It's not Aperol.
The light, no.
Ah,
ça,
it's,
c'est ma sister.
Oh, okay.
My sister, fabrication sister.
Okay. Let me try it.
Very good.
Yeah, it's very light.
Ah,
Light.
yes.
Thank you so much. Can I pay by card?
Ah, oui.
By card.
Attends, tu apportes la carte?
Gambas, prawns were absolutely amazing.
Yes, good
Thank
one,
you. Yeah, amazing. Very good.
Hello.
Guys, this is the third day of driving continuously. I've slept like total 10 hours for the last 3 days. 10 hours. It's like 3.5 hours every day. My back hurts a lot. This heat driving me crazy, but I'm telling you about this just because you should understand that content creation is a real big deal. It's a lot of work, it's a lot of efforts, a lot of energy. So guys, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, because this series of videos about southern France and Provence is totally exhausting, but I'm happy that I'm here. I'm happy that I've met so many people. I'm happy that I ate so many local dishes, and I'm happy that I saw so many beautiness, so much beautiness here.